Boston City Hall is the seat of city government of Boston, Massachusetts. It includes the offices of the Mayor of Boston and the Boston City Council. The current hall was built in 1968 to assume the functions of the old City Hall. It is a controversial and prominent example of brutalist architecture, part of the modernist movement, for it was designed by the architecture firms Coleman McKinnell and Knowles and Campbell, Aldrich and Nolte, with Le Mesurier consultants as engineers. Together with the surrounding plaza, City Hall is part of the Government Center complex. This project constituted a major urban redesign effort in the 1960s, as Boston demolished an area of substandard housing and businesses. The building has been subject to widespread public condemnation and is sometimes called one of the world's ugliest buildings. Calls for the structure to be demolished have been regularly made even before construction was finished. Architects and critics considered it to be excellent work, with one poll finding that professional architects describe Boston City Hall as one of the 10 proudest achievements of American architecture.